Do you know India is ranked 4th globally for producing slightly over 24,000 doctoral graduates each year. The duration of a PhD program varies from 5 to 7 years. Thus, the financial costs become a burden for many. There are several PhD fellowships that are available in India for every PhD aspirant. These fellowships also offer a stipend to aid them financially, along with free accommodation or accommodation at very discounted prices. And today's video is all about the best 5 PhD fellowships that every PhD aspirant should know about. So keep watching this video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. सबसे पहले इस लिस्ट में है एनी बेसेंट फेलोशिप. दिस फेलोशिप इज लिस्टेड अंडर द इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ एमनीज जो BHU के अंडर आती है और वो BHU की एक नई पहल है. एंड द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर दिस फेलोशिप इंक्लूड स्टूडेंट्स इन द लास्ट सेमेस्टर ऑफ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम BHU यूनिवर्सिटी कैन अप्लाई एंड अ मिनिमम ऑफ 8.5 CGPA विद 5 percentile is compulsory. दूसरे नंबर पर है प्राइम मिनिस्टर फेलोशिप फॉर डॉक्टरल रिसर्च which comes under the central government. This fellowship is given to such students who are doing their PhD in the field of science, technology, agriculture, medicine, engineering, and the eligibility criteria for the same are the candidate must be a full-time PhD student at any of the recognized Indian universities, laboratories or institutions. They must apply within 14 months of admission or registration. Student must have at least 8 CGPA or CPI on 10-point scale. तीसरे नंबर पर है Fulbright Nehru Doctoral Research Fellowship, which is given to such students who are doing their PhD in the field of machine learning, sociology, history, public health for 6 to 9 months. And the eligibility criteria for the same are student must be a citizen of India and should have registered at any of the PhD institutions of India. Fourth number पे है Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund Scholarship. This is given to such students who want to pursue their PhD in the field of science, sociology and philosophy. This scholarship is designed to help the students for their higher education and the duration is of 2 years. Eligibility criteria for this are applicants should hold a postgraduate degree with minimum 60% marks in both graduation and post-graduation and applicants age should not exceed from 35 years. Fifth number पे है Google PhD Fellowship India program which comes under Google. This is given to such students who are pursuing their PhD in the fields of computer science or related fields. Applicants also get the benefit of doing an internship with Google. And the eligibility criteria for this includes applicant must be a PhD student at any of the renowned university. He or she must have a degree of bachelor's and master's from any of the renowned Indian universities. And applicants should be a working professional at any of the authorized organizations of India. And for more such informational videos, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and drop your views in the comment section.